and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as be sure to slap a like at the end of this video if you enjoyed it, and feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you guys may have after this unboxing and review is done. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, as we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss. And be sure to click on that join button down below, as we have a ton of perks for our Shade Gang members, so be sure to check that out, as well as check out the new merch that we have in our store. As you guys can see, I'm actually wearing one of our vintage hoodies with a kind of vintagey picture of me at Pot Marfa in Marfa, Texas, and some little arts here. So we're giving you guys options, so be sure to check out that store after the video is over. So that's right, you guys already probably guessed it. We are going to be doing a review and unboxing on the Yeezy 380 Onyxes. That's right, we are gonna go through and do an overview on the first black colorway in the 380 silhouette series that we've seen thus far. Then we're gonna talk about sizing after that. Also, I'm going to talk about styling. I feel like this is a very, very difficult shoe to style for a lot of people. So I want to give you guys some inspiration as to how you can style this shoe, because it can be done. Especially, as you guys know, I love me some all black.
I only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray.
So what better than the 380 silhouette to be in my favorite colorway? All right, so after the styling section, we are then going to conclude with the resale and talk about how these are doing in the market, as well as how much they retail for. So let's jump into it and talk about this specific shoe. For those of you who have already noticed, this is not just the regular 380 Onyx. This is actually the reflective version. I think some can be confused as to whether or not there are any key differences. You really have to kind of get the shoe in the right lighting to really see where the reflective is coming off of the shoe in certain parts. So I'll talk about that in detail so you can see the difference, but let's just get into this colorway. I am obsessed with this color, as in it is probably the most wearable color that's come out thus far. You guys have probably seen some of my previous videos that I've done on the 380 silhouette. I've done the blue oats, the peppers, the aliens. Gosh, I'm like drawing a blank. Did I do? Oh, and the mist. So if you guys haven't seen those videos, be sure to go back, check those silhouettes and colorways out, and let me know your thoughts on whether or not you like any of those colorways better than just this beautiful onyx color scheme of black chocolatey colors. I have noticed that specifically with the 380s, we've seen some kind of crazy coloring schemes. So I don't know that a lot of consumers have really gone hardcore for these coloring schemes, just because they can be hard to match. But with this specific coloring scheme, I think that you're not going to have an issue with it. So let's get to it. This is a very intricate coloring scheme if you really look at it up close. As we look by the laces here, which are in black, and we've also got the lace lock, the no tie lace lock system, which I love so much, but it does also come with just regular laces if you're not a fan of this and you actually want to tie the laces. But just be sure that you know you will have to cut this if you do want to replace it with the laces that you can just tie yourself with. Oops, slipped off there. But underneath the laces, we can see that there are some nice hues of just dark navy underneath, which I think pairs very well with the black, as well as that dark kind of rich purple. I love purple, and I think that the way that they just kind of really melded in this purple hue with the black and the navy works just very well. This has always kind of been like an animal-like pattern, I felt like, with the 380 silhouette and how it's detailed. And of course, that alien-like stripe on the side that really is reflective. And, you know, we've got some holes and breathability on the side of that, as you can see there. But in the weaving, you know, I just love how sporadically we see these dark blacks mixed in with the purple and the navy. on the medial side and the lateral side as well. The way that I have kind of revealed the reflectiveness is actually, you can see the weaving on the prime knit. It's actually the reflective weave is in that kind of rich purple tone. So that's where you see it reflect when you pan it in and out of the light, and the non-reflective does not have that same stitch work that has that reflective look to it. And that is kind of the only key difference that you're gonna see there. The insole we have here is just a dark black. When we're looking at this kind of translucent black midsole, you can see that it's got these chocolatey brown hues to it, and that gum bottom where we can see that boost underneath in the white. And there you have it. That is the Onyx colorway. Onyx is a black rock basically, so it fits very well with the name of the shoe. This is my sleepy face. I'm so full of food, including my go-to bubble tea. I don't know if I can even consume any more water. I feel like I'm gonna explode. Thank God I don't have to film any lookbooks right now. Those are all done. We will see if I can walk this off, or maybe I should just have somebody roll me home, or I might just take a nap right here and fall asleep. So now let's jump into sizing, talk about how the shoe fits. So for me personally, I have noticed that it is very narrow in the toe box region for this shoe. So I like to size a half a size up to an 8. Again, I do like to wear my shoes on the larger size, so that will depend on how snug you would like your shoes to fit, or how tight you would like your shoes to fit, or if you just, you know, like it a bit more roomy like me. So again, I do have narrow high arch feet, and so that will depend and reflect on which sizing you would prefer to go with in the end. But for me personally, I do say that I like to go half a size up in the 380 series. All right, so now let's jump into the styling and talk about how I was able to style these shoes. Again, I think that this, out of all the colorways I've seen in the 380 series, has been probably the easiest colorway to style in my opinion, just because of the dark, rich colors that pop off of it. So let's start out with the first look, which I decided to wear a puffer half zip down Supreme jacket with a checkered black and blue Supreme beanie. It's that time of year, my ears are freezing outside, so I feel like I have to wear a hat no matter where I go, or I feel like I'm gonna die, I don't know. And I paired that with just some cargo green pants from Nasty Gal with that puffer coat, and I think green goes very well with this, as well as black, but I wanted to add some blue tones in it too, just because there are some navy hues in there, and I think that that Supreme hat went very well for that first look.
Wanna know what I'm into? We can start with a blindfold. You know the love goes deep, baby. Tell me what you in for. I'm over the hill and under the brakes, over the pain and under the faith, over the past, I wash it away. Tell me if you looking to stay, yeah. Now we can get it in through the daytime, or we can find the moon in the stateside. I know you got dreams we could chase, right?
And for the second look, I decided to wear my New Balance Stance collab. And did I say Stance? That's wrong. Stod. New Balance Stod collab. And that dress I paired with a new collab that was done with Adidas, and awesome. Except they couldn't put the term on the jacket, so it's actually F.A, which is kind of hilarious, but you know, if you know, you know. And so I love that jacket because it looks like it's actually a denim jacket, but it's not. And it has nice greens to it with some nice gold accents. I wanted to really bring some color into my second look because I feel like with this backdrop shoe that has these darker tones, you can really bring some color to it. And I think that that green just really worked so well in that second look.
The daytime, or we can find the moon in the stateside. I know you got dreams we could chase, right? I wanna know what it tastes like. Tell me what's the motive, you got it. It's hard kept, but it's more than a promise. The way you move got me leaning all on it. I wanna see you tomorrow. Talk to me. Intoxicated by you. Ooh. Well, you're the magic, I'm the potion. Got me spilling out like an ocean. Don't ask me what I wanna do, cause all I really wanna do is you. Your red lips are so persuasive. Girl, it's like you speak in cursive. Girl, don't ask me what I wanna do, cause all I really wanna do is you. I wanna know what you're into. Like, can you let the past go? I can tell by their heartbeat.
For the last and final look, I paired it with some Fear of God sweatpants and just dark black. And then I topped that off with a white hoodie. And it's got the Trifork on it. And yeah, that's a great Palace hoodie that I just copped recently, and I love the camo pinks that it has in it. Again, I wanted to bring more color to this shoe, and I also feel like if this were not an animal print like pattern, it kind of has like a camo textured pattern to it as well. So I definitely think that that worked well with that hoodie, which I then paired as well with a kind of faux fur jacket. And yeah, that just shearling coat really with the black hues played very well off of this shoe, I felt like in particular.
You could settle, but the feeling ain't right. Tell me what you feeling tonight, yeah. It's like we both need a rain check. Tell me I'm the one that needs saving. Tell me I'm the one with an angle. Driving through life that ain't paved yet. Through the good and the bad. And we can play it like a wish in a hat. And we can play it like the future or past. Now tell me what you wishing you had, huh? Intoxicated by you. Well, you're the magic, I'm the potion. Got me spilling out like an ocean. Don't ask me what I wanna do, cause all I really wanna do is you. Your red lips are so persuasive. Girl, it's like you speak in cursive. Girl, don't ask me what I wanna do, cause all I really wanna do is you. You wanna know what I'm into?
And yeah, that is for the 3 looks. Let me know what you guys liked the best of those 3 looks, or how would you dress these shoes? All right, so now let's conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market currently. So the reflective shoes retailed at $250, so a little bit more than the non-reflectives, which retailed at $230. So currently for the reflective version of the shoe, it is going between $300 to $385, depending on what size you are. Larger sizes are doing a bit better, as well as those mid-base sizes, which is between a 6 and an 8.5. So as far as the non-reflective, those on the resale market are not doing that great. So if you were not able to cop these, I would say this is a prime opportunity to get yourself a black Yeezy, which is insane that these are actually going below retail for the colorway, because I think this is a great color. But so it looks like most sizes are below retail except for 9 to 11 are actually the size range. So if you're between a 9 to 11, you can actually get this cheaper than what they retailed for. Others are slightly above, but still just a great opportunity for you guys to pick up a shoe if you really wanted it. All right, so that's the unboxing and review on the Onyxes today. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Again, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as pretty please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It does help the channel. Be sure to leave any comments or questions down below if you have any on sizing, fit, you name it, anything about this shoe or styling, as well as do not forget to hit that notification bell, as we do have a ton of content that's coming out that I don't want you guys to miss. And it's really hard to keep up, as you guys probably have noticed if you don't have your notification bell turned on. Also, don't forget to check out that new join button down below. That's right, we have a new Discord, so I would love to have each and every one of you become a part of that. So be sure to check out those different membership levels. If you guys have any questions on how to join my Discord, be sure to hit me down below in the comments and I will get back to you. And as always, you guys, I know, merch. Don't forget to check out all of the new ShadeTV merch that we have uploaded to our store. All right, so until next time, we will catch you guys on the next video.